The fierce political fight between self-proclaimed opposition CCC Secretary-General Sengezo Tshabangu and members of his steering committee running the party affairs has intensified as he faces accusations of deceit and betrayal by his erstwhile allies for self-serving personal ends. Members of the committee chaired by former Entumbane and Jube MP Dingalizwe Chuma have now recalled Tshabangu's allies in Bulawayo, deployed to positions along patronage lines as senators and proportional representation legislators. Tshabangu is now a senator through the back door. He also rewarded his own personal friends after he initiated recalls, saying former party leader Nelson CHAMISA was mainly surrounded by close allies. The whole campaign, supported by various political opportunists, has now degenerated into a crude self-aggrandizement scheme for Tshabangu and his friends. This has triggered clashes with his colleagues at the committee. Tshabangu's recalled allies include Senators 1, Lillian Menlilo 2, Kukakafulu 3, Linda Sabanda 4, Colette Ndlovu, proportional representation members, 1, Namvula Maguni 2, Otilia Sabanda 3, Lungila N. Cube. One of the members of the now warring committee, Mbuso Siso, who is Treasurer General, says Tshabangu has betrayed them by hijacking the recalls project. As a result, they have now recalled all his personal friends whom he put in as senators and proportional representation MPs after removing elected legislators through recalls which were supported by Parliament, the Executive and Judiciary. Parliament is refusing to act on their recalls, standing behind Tshabangu. The steering committee now at war includes Chuma, who is chair, Albert Malanga, former Pumula MP and the deputy, Tshabangu, Secretary General, Kalifani Pugeni, Information, Sekula Lekile Moyo, interim chairperson for women, Namvula Maguni, ex-proportional representation MP, Siso, treasurer, and Benonian Cube, youth. Despite helping to destroy the CCC, most committee members did not benefit anything. But for Tshabangu, it was a political jackpot. He got a Senate seat, a Toyota Fortuner, and money.